This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. My brother, how's it?
All right, and you, Mr. Ngobo?
Fine, thanks, man. What's your take on the game tonight?
If you give me a Nele Monate, Nele Monate,
Yeah.
I was happy with Obona, Mr. Quinica. In Eliana, the week in the Commission Ligating. In Eliana, man of the match. Yaka Fandach. Because of these two players, I'm so happy too because of Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
They play. Munyani and Twin.
And Marco.
Those two players, guys. And I see Obona bench it next time. Yeah, Chiefs. There's no team at Lutivan Chiefs. Because of some people about Shoba. Fandaku Liojiwa. Because you're 4K Twin. Sundowns. Because of Nematwato Sundowns. Yeah. So today, I'm so happy because of some players. Last week we will and Ngoboka Fana by 2.
Yeah.
But on Cape Towns. Those two players, I'm still want to see those two players to come and play. Yeah. And I see the new player, Maboya from Sundowns.
Yeah.
So, banally like it because of Ufitle.
Very late, yeah.
Late.
But league marathon, or second leg.
Second leg, and Ntungwe. Haki correct. Haki Dumelo and Buam, but we want a Barcelona in or in. No, guys, we still cooking. Like cooker, after we want Manchester, we want Barcelona, we want Juventus, we want PSG.
Number one.
Yeah.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.